One day I noticed some of the birds had descended from their lofty perch and were walking around the yard. And it struck me how different they looked when they were attempting to walk as compared to when they were in flight. And so I wrote a poem to these lovely creatures called Awkward Bird. The bird pecked upon the lawn, strutting awkward skinny legs. Where is that hanging gracefulness with which the bird was raised? Gawkiness in line of sight. Does it warrant my concern? Where is the inspiration of ideals which bank and turn? So when a flying creature crawls with tiny steps upon the ground, it's that very moment to remember awareness is not bound to only things that are perceived upon the backdrop of the lawn, which nature graciously provides birdness to peck upon. So when the flight is brought to earth and fills the clarity with clutter, that tiny point of observation gives me the power to utter that I am standing unconfined beyond the picture and the view. This apparent stunted movement presents itself to be seen through. So gracefully the warrior's spirit bows to bird who's left the skies, giving him the exercise to decide which sword to utilize, the blade which cuts him from himself or the razored edge on which to stand. Watching thoughts, birds either fly or walk and feed upon the land. Nature's simple benediction allows the bird to eat, to fly. Do you expect this special creature to hang forever in the sky?